Everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to log into your Netflix account. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get right into it. You can log into your Netflix account either using the mobile app, desktop app, or the website of Netflix. It's pretty much going to be the same thing through anything that you log in. For this video, we're going to use the website, so tap on your web browser or open up your web browsers and search for netflix.com. Once you type it in, you will see this interface. Now from here, you just need to tap on sign in on the top right. If you're using your mobile app, you're gonna see this interface as soon as you open up the app. From here, you just need to type in your details, such like your email address or the phone number of your Netflix account, and then type in the password. If you want to reveal this password, you can tap on the show option right here. Now if you don't remember your password of your Netflix account, you can retrieve and create a new password by tapping on the need help option. From there, you just follow the steps and you'll be able to create a new password. After you fill in both this information, tap on sign in. And as easy as that, you will be logged in to your Netflix account. So that was the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.